Okay guys, we're gonna take a short drive in the 745. Right now, as you can hear, it's humming right now, so it's in EV mode right now. As soon as you get a little bit of power on the gas, the engine will turn on and we'll have a little bit more power. So easy with the BMW, just put it into drive like this and you are off basically. As this is a 7 Series, you know, it's a premium model. The ride is very soft, very comfortable. And got to be careful in this parking lot, as people do like to drive fast sometimes. So as you can feel, the car is pretty soft, and as this is the 7 Series model, everything's really premium. So the seat belt tightens up a little bit on you as soon as you start moving off. We have the heads-up display up there, which is a nice feature as well. Taking it through the lot over here, you can see this is some pretty rough pavement as well. So, and the 7 Series handles it really nicely. You know, if you want more of a comfortable ride, I would go for like a A8 or a S-Classes. The 7 Series is a little bit more sporty-er than those, but I wouldn't call it super sporty, if you know what I mean. There's like a scale of all this stuff. It's not like, you know, a sports car, but it's definitely more of a more performance-oriented ride in the luxury segment compared to an A8 or an S-Class. Steering is really nice and soft, though, around town, and will get a little bit more stiffer as you're on a highway or something, which is a nice feature. Really comfortable ride, like I said before, and you can change your mode. So you can go over to hybrid mode, and this will be running both the gas engine and the battery at the same time. And you can go over to your car settings in your iDrive and look at driving information and energy flow. And this is going to show you what's happening. So in hybrid mode, you can see the engine and the battery are both powering the car. If I go into EV mode, okay, the battery charge is too low, so I can't do this right now. But if I was in EV mode, only the electric motor would be powering the car. And you go into sport mode, of course the gas engine is going to be powering the car, because you want all your power going on. This has around 400 horsepower, which is a really nice feature to have, of course. And now you can hear that the gas engine's on. So the gas engine's also going to be powering the battery pack as well. Of course, you're going to want some charge going on there if you want to use the battery. So it's both powering the car and the battery pack at the same time, as you can see in the iDrive screen over there, which is a cool thing. I'm going to do a little bit of turning around here. Let's check out the turning circle and the radius. Okay, so it is a massive vehicle. So we're going to have to do a multi-point turn here. So we're going to move it into reverse. You can see all the cameras show up in your center console. Mirrors go down. Pretty nice stuff going on with the cameras. Of course, don't want to hit that guy over there. And you can see, you can have your backup assistant, other stuff going on with the cameras over here. You have your rear view, your 360 top-down view, and you can change the contrasting, the parking aids, the lines and stuff, which is nice. Put it back in the drive. The cameras are still there, so if you don't want to hit a curb or something, you can see that stuff, which is nice to see. Again, really soft, comfortable ride with the 7 Series. We're going to park it back in the spot that we were just in. I give you guys another quick look at the camera system again. Put it into reverse. Like I said, on the newer BMW models, the iDrive system is a lot larger, so you have more of a bigger display going on there. But this is what you have for now. I really like this top-down view. It comes in handy really well. Park the car. Push to park, and that's pretty much it. Just want to give you guys a little quick drive around of the 745e in the parking lot. Show you how this energy flow screen works. It's one of my favorite things about these cars. Seeing how the powertrain is distributing all the power where it needs to, how the battery interacts with the engine and everything. It's a really cool thing to check out. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what BMW is going to be doing with the 7 Series in the future, because there's going to be some cool stuff coming out. Stay tuned for some more posts and information on that.